What is up, guys? This is Plastic Crash with Nate. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to make a spotlight. Let's say there's a zombie apocalypse and your home has been destroyed and taken over. You've been scavenging for a light, but you can't find any. All you found was a paper towel, tinfoil, and a candle. This is all you need to make a spotlight. If you're trying to kindle at one end, the light will funnel around and come out the other as a spotlight. Or just any light in general will work. So we'll find out next how to see how I made it, and then or see how it works and how I made it. So guys, for the first part of the test, we're going to use a flame flashlight. We're going to do the lighter after this because I gotta wait till my mom gets home with a better lighter. Because that's how I filmed it off camera. Lighter we're not use. It doesn't work very well. We're from the flashlight here. As you can see, it's really bright, you know. This is a crappy film, but as you can tell, it lights up just a tiny bit. I'm trying it down there, you can see a tiny bit. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make these lights more direct by putting them inside of this. Now, it's extra bright. And it shines in a circle. So now I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can see this. Alright, what is up guys? And again, we're still back with the flashlight again. Not sure I did my opening again, but you know. Today, see how bright this is without my little flashlight? Not very bright, but I can direct the light into one spot so I'm able to see it a little bit better. Look at that.
You can't really see it.
It kind of like the Batman symbol. The foil one is messed up. It works better with the candle because it made more circular shape because I filmed that yesterday. I filmed that part yesterday, but so that's how this works. Basically, the light will funnel around with tin foil and then come out the other end like a flashlight.
Cool.
A direct flashlight. So yeah, that is that. We're back, and now we've got the candle lit. So we're gonna try and show you it up close with the candle because it doesn't work as well with the candle. As you can tell, we got a little bit of a spotlight going right there. When I stick it in further, for just a split second, it does that. It makes it a little bit brighter, but it's kind of dangerous. So we're gonna stick it without here. Hard to see over the tin foil, but that is how it works. So if you're ever in an emergency situation like a zombie apocalypse or something, and you need a spotlight with all you have is a candle and tin foil, this is how you do it. You need a circular object to make the light.